Hello and welcome. Today I'm excited to show you how to add a file attachment in your ConvertKit emails. If you want to follow along, there's a link in the description where you can sign up for a free trial or log in to your account. First, click the Send button on your dashboard. This will take you to the Email Setup section. Next, look for Email Templates and click on it. Now, click on New Email Template. You can choose a template that fits your branding or message. If you already have an email drafted, you can follow the same steps using your existing email. Next, find the area in your email where you want to add the file. Click there, and you should see a plus icon appear. Click it. A menu will pop up with several options. Scroll down and click File. A window will open, letting you navigate to the file you want to attach. Once you've selected it, click Open to upload. And that's it. Your file is now successfully attached to your email, ready to be sent to your subscribers. Thanks for watching.